What if you could pay next month's bills with this month's income and never stress over payday again? Getting a month ahead with your money is one of the smartest budgeting goals you can set. In this video, we'll show you how to make it happen step by step. Section 1. What does it mean to be a month ahead? Being a month ahead means you're using money you earned this month to cover all your expenses for the next month. It's the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and having breathing room. When you're a month ahead, your budget starts at zero on the 1st with real money already in the bank. No waiting for your next check to pay the rent. Section 2. Why getting a month ahead changes everything. First, it creates peace of mind. You stop stressing about when your paycheck hits or whether you can cover that unexpected bill. Second, it makes budgeting smoother. You can plan your month in advance, knowing exactly what you have. And third, it creates a natural buffer, so you're prepared for emergencies and can finally start saving toward bigger goals. Section 3. How to get started, your action plan. Okay, let's get practical. Here's how to get a month ahead with your money. Step 1. Track your expenses. You can't get ahead if you don't know where your money's going. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track every dollar for at least 1 month. Find your spending patterns and your leaks. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Figure out your average monthly expenses. That's your target savings amount. For most people, this is anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on lifestyle and family size. Step 3. Build your buffer. Start putting money aside. Any extra income, bonuses, refunds, or side hustle cash goes into your month ahead fund. Even $50 at a time adds up. Cut non-essential spending temporarily to speed this up. That extra subscription? Cancel it. Dining out? Try cooking more. This isn't forever. It's just until you hit that goal. Step 4. Use windfalls wisely. Tax refund, stimulus check, work bonus. Instead of spending it all, channel it directly toward getting a month ahead. Big chunks of cash are the fastest way to leap forward. Step 5. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Each payday, treat saving for next month like a bill you have to pay. Prioritize it before spending on wants or extras. Once you hit your target, use your saved buffer to fund the next month's budget and keep the cycle going. Section 4. Tips to stay a month ahead. Automate where you can. Once you're ahead, automate savings and bill payments. It keeps your system running smoothly and prevents backsliding. Create a bare-bones budget. Have a stripped-down version of your monthly budget, just in case income dips. That way, you know how to stretch your buffer further if needed. Avoid the temptation to spend the buffer. It's easy to see money in your account and think it's extra. It's not, it's next month's cash. Use a separate savings account or clearly label your funds in your budgeting tool. Adjust when life changes. Life happens. Your buffer may need to grow with you. If you move, have a baby, or take on new responsibilities, recalculate and keep adjusting. Section 5. The long-term payoff. Once you're consistently a month ahead, everything changes. You're no longer reactive, you're proactive. You start planning for future goals like investing, paying off debt faster, or even early retirement. Being a month ahead is the first big milestone in financial freedom. It puts you in control, and it's absolutely achievable. So, what's your first step today? Can you find an extra $50 in your budget this week? Start there. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let us know where you are on your budgeting journey. Are you a month ahead or just starting out? Thanks for watching, and remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom.